Hey my Excel superheroes, I hope you enjoyed my first video. This is the second video of this course with next 10 awesome Excel shortcuts. Hey Lokesh, what happened? I'm working on a piece of data in which I have a lot of formulas. So what I need to do is I need to remove all the formulas and paste it as values. So do you have any shortcut for me? It's very simple. You use Ctrl V to paste it, isn't it? But in that case, if you want to paste it as a special thing, you have to use Ctrl Alt V. Yes, that's gonna open paste special dialog box. There you can choose any option that you want. So our shortcut number one is that we have some cells with us in which we have some formulas. You can see over here. We're gonna select all the cells. I'm pressing Ctrl Shift down arrow to select it. We're gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste it as values. So the shortcut will be Ctrl Alt V. So I'm hitting that shortcut. There we go. We have this box with us. And if I go with values and I'm gonna press OK, all these will be converted into the values. These are not anymore dependent on any of the cells in this worksheet. I seriously hate Excel when it comes to writing any text in a cell. It goes on and on and on. I seriously want a new line in which I can type in. I wish there must be a way in that. Yes, there is a way, and that is Alt Enter. That's the shortcut. When you press Alt Enter, it's gonna insert a new line in the current cell. If I start typing, let's say this is our shortcut number 12, and in this shortcut blah blah blah. If I press enter, you can see one thing, that this is in the single row itself. I need to insert a line within the cell. So for that, when I start typing, we need to press Alt Enter like this. This is our shortcut number. Now what I'm gonna press is Alt Enter. So it's gonna start a new line, shortcut number 12 in this blah blah blah. So when I press enter, you can see it is adjusted within this cell like this. So that is Alt Enter, and this is shortcut number 12. I have some raw data in my worksheet. I just want to convert that into a table so that I can use the table features. Do you know any shortcut about that? If you want to convert any range into a table, the shortcut is Ctrl L or Ctrl T. You can use any one of the shortcut to convert it into a table, and then you can go ahead and use all the features of table. I already knew that. I was just testing your skills. So our shortcut number 13 dedicates to inserting a table with a shortcut. Now we have this piece of data in front of us. I'm just putting my cursor somewhere within the data and I'm gonna press Ctrl L. You can see as it's showing us this box. If I'm gonna press cancel this, again the another shortcut is Ctrl T. Both will work in same way. If I press enter, there we go. This is now converted into a table, and now we have the table tools with us, and there you can use any option which is available under this design tab. You can see the list of all the available macros by pressing Alt F8 shortcut key. Yes, if you have a list of the macros in front of you, how you can see that, how you can access those macros, and the shortcut is Alt F8 key. That is function F8 key. Right now I do not have any macros with me, but you can see all the macros in all open workbooks right now. And that is shortcut number 14. Where are we going? Going to a special place with my girlfriend. Don't tell me that you have a shortcut for that also. Boss, in Excel we have shortcuts for everything. Like this. If you want to go to any special cells in a worksheet, you can press Ctrl G or you can press F5 on your keyboard. It will take you to any special cell that you want. Our shortcut number 15 is all about going to the special cells, and that to be using Ctrl G or you can press F5 key on your keyboard. For example, in this case, I want to hit all the formula containing cells. So I can press Ctrl G on my keyboard. We're going to have this go to dialog box, or I can press F5 on my keyboard, and there we go. We have this box, and there I can go to the special, and there we have a lot of options like blank, conditional formatting, a lot of things. I'm going to go with formulas right now, and I can choose the type of the formulas, and then I can press OK, and there we go. We hit all the formula containing cells. To select the complete column, the shortcut will be Ctrl spacebar, and if you want to select the complete row, the shortcut will be Shift spacebar. So here we go, I'm standing on this cell. If I want to select the complete column, the shortcut will be Ctrl spacebar. You know, C stands for control and C stands for column. So there we go, we can remind it in this way. The second way is if you want to select the complete row, you can press Shift spacebar. This way you can select the complete row. And this is our shortcut number 16. Shortcut number 17, that is Ctrl F. That is fine. If you want to find something, you're gonna press Ctrl F, and that is a universal shortcut. You can use this in almost any of the program that you have. And for example, if I'm gonna find fruit, so I'm gonna write it fruit, and I'm gonna press find next or maybe find all, so it will find it accordingly. Similar to that, if you want to replace anything, the direct shortcut for that would be Ctrl H. So there you can write fruit, I want to replace it with, let's say, oil, and I'm gonna say replace all, so it has replaced everything over here, and these are 134 replacements. I have a huge data. Every time I need to go up and see what would be the concern heading of that. I get lost. Is there any way to do that? I think that you need to freeze the heading, and that to be using freeze panes. And the shortcut to freeze the pane is Alt W F F. Shortcut number 18. Oh well, this is a big data. When I go down like this, you can see I have lost my heading. So I know which data represents what. So in that case, I need to freeze my heading. What I need to do is, I need to stand somewhere just below that line, and then I need to press the shortcut, that is Alt W F F. So that's a hotkey shortcut. Now you can see that there is a line coming just below that heading. It means that is freezed. Now if I go down, you can see the heading is there with me. That's the magic of freezing panes. If you want to apply dollar symbols to the numbers, you can use a shortcut that is Ctrl Shift $. Shortcut number 19. We have a lot of numbers with us, and how to convert that to a currency, that to be a dollar. You can see the shortcut that we have is Ctrl Shift $. So I'm gonna press Ctrl Shift and $. There we go, we have that, and I can put it all over to this data. I love to insert comments. Dude, do you? Shift F2. If you want to insert any comment in any cell, you can use a shortcut that is Shift F2. Yes, through this you can insert any comment or you can edit any comment if it is already there. Shortcut number 20, the last shortcut of this video. Sweet. Here we need to insert a comment. So the best one is just press Shift and F2. There we go, we have this comment. If you already have a comment like this, you can edit it by pressing Shift F2. There we go. Boom. Hey my Excel superheroes, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm working on the third and the last video, just wait for that. Till the time, this is Lokesh Lalwani signing off.